Creating a section view from an object. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to locate our points when we're using the Viewsection command. So if we use the object option, it allows us to select the 3D model, and then based on that, it will determine what type of section is being created. So let's go into our Layout tab, delete any floating viewport you may have. Let's go up to our ribbon and go to Layout. We're going to put a Viewbase command and go from model space, and make sure your type is set to base only. So I'm going to go base only. I don't like my orientation, so I'm going to come up here and change my orientation to top. I'll come in and place my top view. I'll say OK. Now I'm going to come up to my section view, and I'm going to come down here and say from object. I'll pick the parent view, and then I'll say select object. So I'll select the object, and now I'll just do a window there, and I'll say I'm done. And now it's to specify a start point. So I'm going to come over here and say, alright, I want to go right here, and I'll go right here, and I got to turn my ortho off. Alright, I'll go right here, and then I'll say done. And now I could drag down and place my position on my section view, and I'll place it right here, and I'll say OK. So there, it essentially generated an aligned section for this. Now, so when we create a section view from an object, essentially it's because it's difficult to locate points when we're using the Viewsection command. And then the object we select will determine the type of section that we're using, and then we can actually draw our cutting plane line to create our section. It provides an alternative way to create a section view that might be easier than picking points.